So when we bought our RV and we had, twinkly eyes and we were still wet behind the ears, we were so excited, and nobody told us how unsafe our RV really was. We had no idea that when we locked the door at night that a lot of other people could get into our same RV.
Anybody.
And if I'm gonna go through the trouble of locking something, I really want it to be locked.
I want to know I have safety and security. Welcome back to the RV Odd Couple. My name is John.
And I'm Mercedes. And long story short, we found freedom, independence, and adventure, RVing this nation. And now we're building a community that loves God, family, country here at Thunder Canyon.
Yeah, and this video is probably, we think, one of the most important videos we've ever done. So pay attention, guys.
Yeah,
okay?
because they don't tell you this. So this video is so important because you need to know, so that, what's the point of a lock if everyone has a key?
And our job is to give you guys, arm you with the facts so that you can make really good decisions. One of the best gifts we ever got when we first bought Thunder Canyon 3 years ago is somebody sent us these. I call these my magic skeleton keys. With these keys, we have never yet failed to get into somebody's RV. We've had thousands of people come through here at Thunder Canyon. Every now and then you'll lose your keys or you'll break your lock.
Or you'll lock yourself out.
And, there's nothing better than when somebody needs help for you having the solution. So we love having these. The scary thing is that we've never failed to get into somebody's RV who has asked us for help. So if you do a little research on Google, you'll see that 90% of all RV keys are the same, which is just scary.
Terrifying.
Terrifying.
Break into any RV we want with it.
RV manufacturers buy the same crap products from China. And most of those Chinese lock companies sell the same lock. Do a quick search on Google and you'll see that the most common key in the RV space, especially for baggage locks, is going to be a CH751. That's your most common key. You got it. 90% of your neighbors have it. Guys, you can go right now to Amazon and order a CH751 key, and you're going to have a key to the baggage compartment doors of 90% of RVs out there. So, it's so important that you and your family are safe, that your belongings are safe. If you have things in your baggage compartments that there's not a lot of value in them and you don't worry if they steal your poop pipe
or hoses.
Dog food, that's one thing. But if you're storing nice tools or something worth money in your baggage doors, you definitely want to get new keys on your RV. But here's where it gets a little bit scary. We kind of knew that. What we didn't realize is that your door locks, entry to get into your RV at night, it's the same thing. There's only about 10 different keys for every make and model of RV you can imagine.
It's crazy because there's hundreds of RV brands and models and different types in all the years.
It doesn't matter which model, we can get into it. And so far, there's never been a time where somebody has asked us for help that we couldn't get into their baggage doors, we couldn't get into their door lock. This is more of a public service announcement to arm you guys with the facts, especially newbie RVers that come into the space. Why are we telling you this? We're telling you so you can decide for yourself if you want to go out and get new keys made by an RV locksmith, or just a regular locksmith. If you do get new keys made, we're going to highly suggest you get what's called tubular locks for all your baggage doors, and that you get a special lock for your entry door, one that is not keyed like every other RV out there.
This is a pro tip, guys, because there's nothing worse than having your RV keys but they're not the right key, so you got to get your other keys to open this door, and you got to get your other set of keys to open that door.
I highly suggest you use the same key on everything, at least all your door locks. There's nothing worse than having a different key for each baggage compartment door, so you want to key those the same, but you may want to get a special key for entry into where you and your family is sleeping. A couple things with the locksmith. Number one, they charge big money to do a service call. So you're better off making an appointment and bringing your RV to the locksmith. You'll save $150, $200 just saving that service call. Let the locksmith go ahead and look at your baggage doors and give you the options that you need to replace all your locks. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel. We're always covering topics that nobody else or people are afraid to cover. So subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Where you guys all been? We need comments on these videos. They're gonna help get them out there. And hopefully in this video, it's gonna save somebody from a horrible thief. So happy Father's Day to all you wonderful dads out there and RV Odd Squad members all over the country. We'll see you in the next video.